A mite infestation can cause severe irritation to the skin and ears of your dog. Mites are tiny external parasites transferred by close contact with other infested animals. They're closely related to ticks, although mites are much smaller, so much so that many of the species are only visible with a microscope. The three mite species most commonly infesting dogs are Demodex mites, Sarcoptes mites and ear mites. Ear mites, as their name suggests, inhabit the ear canal and surrounding skin, and they cause an intense ear irritation and discomfort. These tiny little critters are easily transmitted from one infested animal to another, as are Sarcoptes mites, which also cause an intensely itchy skin disease called sarcoptic mange. These mites can also be transmitted to humans. Then there are the Demodex mites. Now, most dogs and humans have Demodex mites hanging out on their skin, but in low numbers. These mites are usually acquired when the animals are young. However, they usually don't cause any ill health, as low numbers of mites can be kept in check by a normal immune system. In some puppies, however, due to a genetic fault, the mite numbers can increase, leading to a skin condition called demodectic mange. This can also occur in other animals whose immune system isn't working well, such as ill or elderly animals. Given mites are so tiny, you won't see them on your dog with the naked eye, but there are signs to look out for, which will vary depending on the species of mite. With Demodex mites, you often see hair loss, skin thickening and skin infections. Sarcoptes mites cause intense itching, hair loss and skin infections as well. With ear mites, you may notice your dog scratching around its head and ears, shaking its head and an unpleasant odour from the ear area. A dark brown, crumbly, coffee-like ground discharge is also often seen in the ear canal. It's important to see your vet as soon as you notice any of these signs to confirm the diagnosis and allow them to advise on the best treatment options. Sometimes secondary bacterial or yeast infections can also be present, which may make the itch even worse. So ear drops or antibiotics may be required for any additional infections. NexGard Spectra is a highly effective option to treat mites on dogs, and it also covers your pet against all the other important parasites, including fleas, ticks and intestinal worms. It can be used on puppies from 8 weeks of age and that weigh over 2 kilos. So visit the NexGard website to learn more.